This video is for you if you wear glasses and cannot see to put on your makeup. I just ordered a second one of these so that I can show you what it looks like straight out of the box. So this is the GoSpire 7-inch LED lighted makeup mirror. I've used a ton of different magnifying makeup mirrors, and most of them I won't even keep because the distortion is so bad. And that's why I've purchased a second one of this mirror, because it's the least amount of distortion I've ever seen. But it's not without its downsides, but let me point out what I like first. It's big enough to see your face in, but it's relatively small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's also relatively inexpensive. And I in no way am replacing my original one that I've had for 2 years. I'm just adding another one. The downside for some people will be that it operates on batteries. And while it does provide light, it does not provide bright light. So you need to have an adequately lighted room. The one side has got the 10x mirror on it. It is recommended that you hold your face about 4 inches away when you're looking at it. The other side, which I'm going to turn this way so you don't get blinded, has a regular mirror on it, so you can see from a distance, and you can see that it swivels. Now it's a nice heavy base, so it's not going to tip over on you. This can be removed, and this is where your batteries go. I feel like this is a really good choice if you don't want to spend a ton of money and you have a well-lighted room. Now you can take your glasses off and see everything right up close.